Courtney.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm great.
What are you cooking today?
We are cooking a very easy 6-ingredient chipote chicken tacos. Great one for kids, easy one for mum, ready in 15 minutes.
Yum.
Ticks all the boxes.
Just checking Courtney's okay and ready to go for her segment. Everything looks fine. I've set the vegetables here. They're all sorts
You've
of
done
different
nothing.
vegetables. These are the products. That's the chicken's going to cook up first.
Yeah.
Courtney's good to go now, so bring it on. I've helped her set up, so she's right. What?
Thank you.
I'm just going back to my work
Right,
area.
bye then.
I'll be there.
Yeah.
If you need me, I'll be in the work area.
Thanks.
I won't be over at the chicken tacos.
What's that?
You can go there.
Go on then.
Right.
the corner.
Oh, I do love a chicken taco. I mean, Courtney might need the taste.
Oh yeah, you're right. You might need to be on standby.
Hey guys, it's Reece here on the morning show, and coming up after the break, I'm going to show you how to make my square scones.
Kylie's just getting her Instagram content. Did you get the shot, Kylie? Did you get the shot?
Nothing like a square scone to get me excited.